Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. Hey, so I'm just doing some mower maintenance. So I'm mulching leaves, and for some reason, man, like I don't know why, I hit like a big old rock doing one of my customers' yards. I got comfortable, y'all, complacent. I then walked the yard because I already know the customer's yard though, but there was a big rock in the yard and I hit it, and I think it caused this to the blade. Look at that, man. A big old chunk. So if you have a bent blade, it's gonna like cause the unbalance, y'all, and it's gonna make it's gonna make the mower deck rattle. Okay, just because it's not balanced. But I don't know if that's causing it, man. Look at that. A big old chunk. Okay, walk the ground, all right? No matter how many times you've done the customer's yard, walk the ground, all right? Because people throw stuff in the yard and they just don't tell you that there's stuff in the yard. So just make sure you walk the ground, okay? Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. All right, hey, God bless you on the next video. Bye.